you're working with a lot of text and need to search and replace a word or a sentence, use Find and Replace. In your Office app, select Replace or press Ctrl-H. In the Find What box, type the text that you want to search for, and in the Replace With box, type the text you want. Select Find Next to see where your text appears. You can also use Find Next to skip to where it shows up next in your file. When you're ready, select Replace to change the highlighted text. Or select Replace All if you'd like to change wherever this text shows up in your file.